One.
And here's another great new product from ZMC. This we have what's called a smart head box. What you typically do in a suspended ceiling application is that your shades get mounted up above the ceiling and your ceiling tiles can rest on this. Typically you get a completely enclosed box that goes around this that gets mounted up first. Here they've eliminated the need for the expensive box. What you have is two end brackets that you can mount up first. Your shade will be mounted inside of that. And then you have a attachable lower plate that goes up inside there. You have the front plate that takes care of the ceiling tiles. You have a bottom plate that is your access flap. They also make it in a dual roller system. Here you can have the blackout shade in the front, the screen shade in the back. Same exact system with a smart head box, just mounting two shades instead of, again, going to a huge 7-inch full-faced metal box. They've opened everything up. Another great advantage of having the openness is the heat. It allows the heat to escape to the ceiling without being trapped inside the box. And here we have the broken down parts of that head rail system. So here you can see the diagram setup of this, where you'd be mounting your bracket inside of a system here showing the wood backing or steel beam wherever you needed to mount it to. Now typically you would have to use this whole product here as your access. So when you do this, you can put the bracket inside there, mount your shade and all that, and you slip your plate covers underneath this. So there's an exploded view of the actual bracket. If you go over here, you can see the exploded view of the same system but with the dual roller shade. You've gone from the 5.5-inch box to a 7-inch box. And again, easy access, plate comes out from underneath and your channel just pops out of this. Pops right back in. Hold on there. Sorry. Pocket pops right back in and you can set your plate back down, access flap, all from doing underneath. Your ceiling tiles would rest on there. This is just another one here that you can just see. This is the idle inside of this where you have that. You have a leveling bracket that you can actually slide to adjust to keep the roller shades level and not have to worry about the mounting brackets being as level. Up above here is we actually have the physical demonstration of it. It's got the roller shade tubes in it, self-leveling. This has an intermediate couple bracket in there so you can have multiple shades run through one head box system. I'm going to go ahead and just show you how this whole system gets assembled. You mount your brackets up first, you put in your shade, you have the retractable pins here to get it easier to go into the coupler. You have one motor to run multiple shades, and then go ahead and we'll set this up. So basically, what again, you've got your track system. Sorry, right here. Here we've got the front of the box. You're going to stick this in, and again, this can all be done from underneath. Goes up, snaps into place, and I'm going to take my access flap and sets in place, and I'm done. That quick and easy instead of doing a whole head box system.